Hey guys, Alex Bennett here from Agri Drones. In this video, we are going to show you kind of the basics of creating and editing circular boundaries. It's kind of a cool feature with the EAB J100. We can actually, most guys, that have drones and they want to fly center pivots or anything like that, you have to basically make a lot of boundary points around that. So with the J100 system, we can actually create circular boundaries. So with that, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing we're going to do is open up our sidebar. We're going to go to fields. We're going to create a new field. We're going to name that field. Choose our landform. And for this purpose, that's all we're going to do. Here's a pivot field. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. All right, so we're going to go mode type. We want to hand draw this. We want to go to a circular border. Then we basically are ready to hit add. So what we want to do here, we want to find basically the center of our pivot line. So if this is the pivot, we're basically going to go to the center of that pivot, and we're going to hit add. So now you see we have basically a circular obstacle or a circular boundary. So the next thing we want to do is set our basically we're going to select that, and we're going to go into fine tuning. So now we can see up here in radius. So if you guys know how long your pivots are and stuff like that, it's super easy to do. For this instance, let's say we have a 1,600 foot pivot. We're going to hit confirm. Okay, so now our map is centered on the pivot. And we have a 1,600 foot radius all the way around it. So if we have 1,600, you can see this is a 1,600 foot pivot right here. As you can see, now we go clear to the very end of that. Super easy to do, super helpful, guys, especially that have pivots. Fine tuning is the same way. If we go into here, we can actually shift that pivot left, right, up, down, any of that stuff. And then it's the same way. If we have our pivot, now we want to put in some obstacles or no spray zones. We can do that. Let's start with no spray zone.
Report no spray zone. Report no spray zone. Report no spray zone.
That could be no spray zone. We're going to finish that. Same way with obstacles. We're going to add obstacle 1.
Report obstacle point.
We're going to drop that in.
Report obstacle point. Report obstacle point.
So we want a round obstacle. We got to finish that obstacle. We're going to go to a circle obstacle now. We got a circle obstacle right here.
Click the add field button, then add points. Report obstacle point.
The same thing as normal mapping. It's just instead of actually going around the field and dropping boundary points, this will do a circular boundary. Because in helpful tips, make sure your crosshair is basically lined up at the pivot head, at the base of the pivot, where all the water intake and all of the power and everything is. And then if you set your radius of whatever your pivot length is, you will be very, very close every time. So quick and easy, but that's how you do it. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.